Navigation in view is very simple. We have 3 view that are simply orthographic. Ortho means they are parallel view, not perspective. With right click and drag, you can pan, and with the scrolling mouse, you can zoom in and out. These 3 view are synchronous with each other. They are connecting to each other, and the main 3D view is separate. If you right click, you can see the camera is here. It's in sunlight. The camera is changing in its position. Just look around, okay? With right click, scrolling your mouse, you can zoom in or out. You can see it here. You can pan based on this base. You can zoom in out. You can rotate camera, and here you can uh, rotate camera around the one center, and here you can change the focal length, field of view. Okay, it means you can see this arrows. You can see more view in one place, or you can view less. Or if you select your camera, you can change the focal length or field of view here. I think, yeah, this number is better. And the main key of, you can double click, the main key of moving in the view is scrolling mouse and holding your alt. If you're holding your alt and left click, you can simply rotate. You can simply rotate based on the object that you selected. Simple, nice. If you select, if you're holding alt, it's rotate based on that object. If you're holding alt and right click, you can zoom in and out. If you're holding alt middle click, you can pan, but with right click, you can only rotate. The camera is in position, and just you can rotate. You can see it automatically updates. But if you hold and right click, you zoom in or out. Middle mouse, if you're holding your middle mouse, you can do nothing. But if you hold alt and middle mouse, you can pan in a scene. So it looks like Cinema 4D. Nice. This is a simple navigation in view.